All right, fam. What up? Some of you, myself included, will be stoked to know that's what time it is. Yeah, we're getting the old woods weapon going. Try to have her going by this weekend. Mama asked last night, "You gonna have your bike going this weekend?" And I said, "Should I?" She's like, "I don't know." So, I took that as a hint. Let's go dirt biking this weekend. It's fun days and everything. So it's been too long. I've been putting it off too long. I got 17 other projects going on right now. I want to ride my YZ. It's been, let's call it 2 years since I rode it. I got it fixed last time, rode it once, blew it up, and then it's been sitting like this, all sad and torn apart, for a fiscal year. So it's time. What up, fam? We got updates. It's that time. Also, Bapples. I know, it's been like maybe an hour. Bam, naked bike. I would like to say it's because I'm a seasoned professional. But what it actually is, it was most of the way apart already. All I had to do was take the swing arm off and the two lower motor mounts and pop her out. So the gas tank was sitting on it. I had to take 2 bolts out of the back. And now she's apart. So I got to do a ton of cleaning. And I think I might even, if I have time, depending on how the motor goes, I think I'm going to sand it up and repaint the frame. It looks so bad. This poor bike. Man, I wish I knew how many hours this chassis had on it. I've put, oh, I'm bleeding. Nice. I've put 44.8 hours on this bike. Is all. And it's a 01 and it's clapped. So it's probably got 4,400,000 billion hours on it. But anyway, here's the motor. For those of you that don't know or don't remember, this is the carnage that happened. So it literally fell apart in my driveway. I had all the pieces of the piston. They were sitting right here. So I'm praying I'm going to split it, clean all the bearings, check them all. Got a punched out cylinder, piston, rings are somewhere. That's all my exhaust valve stuff. Gaskets galore. So that's the plan. Hopefully we can slam it back together, send it. But I don't know, man. Also, quick public service announcement for those of you that are like me and your shifter splines keep spinning out because your shift shaft's worn out because it's got 4 billion hours on it. Even if you got a steel IMS and it keeps doing it and you're just like, weld it. Don't weld it. Worked great for years. But I got a new one. I got a new shifter. Seals and all that. But now I got to get it off and get it through the case. So I would say just fix it right. Usually I wouldn't say that. Usually I would say weld it. You know me, I like to weld. But not much room here to grind or to cut. My plan was to just cut it off there. Send it through. I think I'm going to have to grind all that weld off. So we'll get her. Don't do it. Fix it. All right, fam. Got a pretty quick but sad sayonara to this here video. The old YZ let me down. I'll tell you what. Can't say I'm surprised. That's all this particular Yamaha has ever done to me. What do I do with my flashlight? There it is. Me and this bike have a long history, 6 years worth of all I do is fix it so I can ride it once and it breaks. Been going on for 6 years. Well, here's what happened. I thought we were good to go. I didn't even notice it till we were splitting the cases. But it's clearly old. It's full of crud. I mean, she's toast, friends. Left side case half snapped. This crank's still stuck in here. I mean, as you saw right there, shrapnel falling out of everything. Look in that bearing. There's crap everywhere. She's junk. Here's the deal. Get new case halves, you might say. Well, like I said, this bike's a 01, no title, clapped out. The frame's been painted 400 times. It's probably got 7,000 hours on it. And me and Summer had a discussion when I decided I wasn't going to buy a new bike. I was just going to fix this bike one more time. But if it came to case halves, I wasn't buying cases for this bike. I've already bought cases for my sled this year. Wasn't doing. Wasn't happening. I didn't want to go that deep. Thought $300 for a cylinder punch out and a new piston and send it. Well, that ain't happening. So I'm going to throw it all in a box and I'm putting it on Facebook. Goodbye, Misty. All right, guys. Sad day. Not really. Got all the parts rounded up. Told you I was going to put it on Marketplace. Did that. $600 OBO. Sounds like he's pulling in right now. So, the old YZ's going down the road. Next year, we're getting a 350.